In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a creation log to your boards in Monday.com. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of who added what and when, giving your team more visibility and accountability over board content. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to the Monday.com website. Simply open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner of the page and click on the login button. If you're already logged in, great. If not, go ahead and sign in. You can either choose to sign in with Google if that's your preferred method, or manually enter the email address you'll be using. For those opting for the Google sign in, make sure you select the correct email address from the list provided, as this will ensure you're accessing the right account. Once you're signed in, go to the specific board you wish to work with. Navigate through your dashboard until you find the board in question. After selecting it, scroll over to the last column on your board. Here you'll notice a plus sign button. Clicking this button allows you to add a new feature to your board, which is precisely what we need to add our creation log. When you click on the plus sign, a menu will appear. From here, select More Columns. This is your gateway to the column center, where you can explore various columns to add to your board. In the column center, you'll see a search box prominently displayed. Click inside this search box and type creation log. This feature helps you pinpoint the functionality you're looking for among the many options available. Once you've typed in and located the creation log, click on it. This action will instantly add the creation log column to your board. It's seamless and quick, ensuring minimal disruption to your workflow. As soon as this column is added, it will automatically be populated with useful data. The creation log will showcase the profile picture of the person who created each item, as well as the date of creation. This information is visible right away, offering an immediate snapshot of your board's activity history. That's it, you've successfully added a creation log to your board in Monday.com. This addition will help you and your team monitor individual contributions and maintain an organized, transparent workspace. Be sure to revisit your boards whenever necessary to ensure everything is up to date and functioning as expected. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day managing your projects with Monday.com.